You're right guys, rcaddict. I'm gonna teach you how to get flow and make it look good just with your imagination, totally on the cheap, without paying any money for a brilliant simulator, practicing over a box. Watch.
rcaddict.
Let me just do my hair. You're a friggin' ponce. So what is flow in the most simplest form? It's basically keeping the quad moving in directions, doing tricks one after another, whether it's rolls, loops, and basically just not going in a straight line. Now I know there's many great pilots out there, loads, yeah, I watch them, I study them, I play them back. I'm sure Staceman FPV won't mind me showing this clip, because this is when I really saw flow and I loved it. So this has got a banging track to it, it's got flow, and watch.
Tell me something, I don't know. Magic 8 balls working slow. Concentrate and ask again. Shake it up, don't count on it. Tell me, baby, what you know. I'm getting so uncomfortable. I wanna rip the skin on my face off. My clothes are wet and my body's feeling sick, man. I wanna pull the air out of my head. Was gonna cry, but now I'm just too upset. I wanna kiss you, when will I see you? I think about it way more than I need to. Cause when I'm with you, it's like I'm see-through. And now I wonder if this is how it feels to you.
Now Stace will tell you that that wasn't that good, but that was amazing. So what is he actually doing there? He's going over the trees, he's basically doing split S's and rolls, and then he's doing a rewind and then backwards, and it's like a rocking chair, yeah? It took me ages to work it out. So this is me on the sim, because the weather has been so bad in the UK. I am dying to fly. There's flooding today and everything. Listen, first though, I want to thank everyone for all the love they've given me, yeah, and literally, you know, thank you so much in the FPV community. Big respect. So this is Freerider Recharged, but the fact is there's nothing there, yeah, apart from this, yeah, two bits of wood or imagination, use it as a box. But basically you can do anything, yeah, and I learned on this, it's, as I say, it's free, yeah, and the physics are actually, you know, once you tune the physics, they're just like a real drone. I have never seen an app like it. Now what I'm doing is basically, and it's took me so long to try and get it right, to emulate like other people's moves. And the fact is that we are right-handed or left-handed, so we will always want to turn one way, okay? And that's a big thing, because turning the other way gets hard, yeah? When I was learning helis, yeah, it was like figure eights, and I always had a bad turn on the other way around. So I am trying to do exactly what Stacey's doing there, yeah, and other stuff with rewinds, yeah. So what I'm doing is I'm never stopping, yeah, I'm never going straight. I'm always looking for the next thing I can do. Now I am no great pilot. You know, in real life I have fear of breaking my drone. And that's my version of flow. So, imagination. You just got to imagine that's a tree. It can be anything, you know. Hope you've enjoyed it. See you next time. And stop looking at that frigging cooker, alright? I've cleaned it. Take care.